Hi there, it's Marcella. Hope you're doing well. Today, I am going to show you one of the most important tools to keep your Avon business organized and growing, and that's the Avon Campaign Calendar. So whether you're brand new or you've been with Avon for a while, the calendar can really make a big difference in how you plan, promote, and stay on top of every campaign. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so you want to make sure you're logged into your Avon account. Once you're in there, you are going to head over to where it says Manage Business at the very top. And then all the way over to the left under Manage Orders, you will see the first little thing here says Campaign Calendar, and go ahead and give that a click. So here you'll see the Campaign Calendar. What I suggest you do is scroll all the way down and click where it says 2025 printable PDF. And then you will want to go ahead and save this document to your computer, your phone, or print it out. Now, here you will see it gives us the campaign starting from campaign 1 all the way through to campaign 26. Now, you might be wondering, okay, so why do I need to know these dates? Why is this so important? So you always want to keep it handy because it really is going to tell you the start and the end date of a campaign. The reason that's important is because with Avon, we really work within those 2 weeks of the campaign. So every 2 weeks, there's a brand new campaign that starts, and that is the brochure and the offers and the deals you are going to be sharing with your customers. Now, the cool thing is that with Avon, they give you those 2 weeks to really work the campaign. So for example, if we're looking at campaign 1, which opened on January 1st and closed on January 14th, you have until January 14th, the last day of that campaign, to place your order for that campaign if you are placing orders for your customers. If you are only selling online, then you want to make sure that your online customers place their orders before that date if they're looking for certain deals, certain sales. So that's just something to keep in mind. And again, it shows you when certain campaigns go live so your customers can start shopping. So let's say, for example, again, we're back in campaign 1, it's early January, and your customer sees that there is a certain special, a certain deal going on in campaign 2, January 15th. You can let her know, hey, wait till January 15th to shop this certain deal because that's when these offers will go live. So you can know certain dates, you know when certain offers are going on. And last, it really does help you track your goals so you're always ahead and not behind. So something I notice some people do is they will promote a campaign before it starts, because with Avon, we actually have access to purchase brochures before they even start. So for example, if we're in campaign 1 right now and I can go ahead and order brochures for campaign 2 and 3. I can order brochures 2 campaigns in advance, which is really nice. So there's some people who, like for example, if it's currently campaign 1, they'll already be showing campaign 2 because they want to place their order the first week the campaign is out, which is pretty smart because a lot of times, certain Avon products will sell out. So it's good to kind of work in advance, have your goals so you're not waiting till the very last day of the campaign to place your order. So there you have it. That's everything you need to know about the campaign calendar. It's a very handy tool that I suggest you all download and have by your side so you know when the campaign opens and closes. And the more you kind of get into the Avon groove, you just kind of know this, you'll always know a campaign when, you'll know when it opens and it closes. But that's just a really great way to kind of have it handy. Again, my name is Marcella, so if you have any questions, drop them down below. And if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. I am always coming out with new Avon-related videos every single week. So I share product videos and training videos just like this one. And if you are interested in joining Avon, I would actually love to have you on my team. I'm always looking for great people to join my team. You can head on over to discoverbeautynow.com, or you can go to the description box down below and click on the link to join. I hope that this video was helpful for you, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.